Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, December 18th. Interesting week, and what we can see here in the S&P 500, Friday was basically another rest day as the market cooled off a bit going into the weekend. There are some fundamentals out there. There is a roll in the contract. We'll talk more about that in Monday's session. If you haven't looked at these videos before, green line solid means buy level, red line solid means sell level, a dash line like this means that was a previous buy and sell level that happened earlier in the week. And remember, go to dangramza.com, look at the free video, and you could go back 10 years to see what was happening on these different dates. So you could go back to this point in time, look at the video, see why that line is there, and how it's adjusted as the market moves. And the sell level would be raised. Well, the difference between this buy and sell level in that market is $3,100 a contract, just to give you that reference. And let's talk about the NASDAQ market. It also gave us a pop to the upside. Difference between that buy and sell level in that market was $5,640 a contract. And again, I'm looking for movement to the upside in these indices. Monday is going to be important, and you and I will look at that on Monday. But how it continues, if it does, it'll be critical because it gives us ideas of longer term action for these markets. But what we do see here in the Dow at record levels is that it's slowing down a bit. So you want to be cautious if you're on the long side. The difference between that buy and sell level in that market was $695 a contract. In the Russell, the small to mid cap stocks, the difference here between that buy and sell level was $250 a contract. Now, in the currencies, the euros did cool off. The dollar did get stronger as we go into the weekend. The difference between that buy and sell level in that market, if it does come off on Monday, would be $1,550 a contract. Over in the Swissy, the difference between the sell level from here to that buy level, just to give you that as a reference, is $675 a contract. The difference between that buy and sell level, if it does back off, would be $2,125 a contract. Mr. Yen really had some volatility this week. Look for a sideways move. There's been no sign of a change in interest rate policy there, so I don't look for any drama in that market. The difference here between that buy and sell level was $162.50. Over in the Aussie dollar, also a market that may be turning over as the dollar tries to get stronger. The Canadian dollar's in the same boat. It's a market that's slowing down a bit. Bitcoin doesn't know what it wants to do, trying to go higher, but we're seeing a market that just can't get the job done. The difference between that sell and buy level is $3,725 a contract. 10-year notes are slowing down a bit also. If yields do increase on Monday, look for this market to back off. The difference between the buy and sell level in that market's $375 a contract. In the 30-year bonds, it's in the same boat. Yields go up, look for price to go down. Difference between that buy and sell level, $625 a contract. In the gold market, it's just not sure what it wants to do either. Stronger dollar, we're seeing weaker prices. It's what I call consistency of behavior. And what do we look for? Look for an inside day on Monday. Difference between the buy and sell level in that market is $1,800 a contract right here. Okay, let's talk about what's happening with copper. A lot of or silver. Sorry, let's finish that up. In the silver market, from that sell down to that buy level, that difference was 2,000. I'm sorry, from here down to that level, $9,600 a contract. And I do look for a down day on Monday. Copper, a lot depends on China. Keep your eye on their consumption. Look for an inside day on Monday. Excuse me, crude oil. Also, a market that we had a little bit of a draw in an inventory, but global supplies look pretty good. Look for a sideways move there. Nat gas in the same boat, but we're seeing an increase in demand for that market. Difference here between that sell and buy level, $3,200 a contract. Mr. Beans, soybeans, watch Brazil. That's the key right now, the weather and growing conditions in that country. The difference here between that buy level and sell level is $200 a contract. In corn, trying to go higher, fundamental support isn't totally there, but look for an up day on Monday. Same thing here for wheat, a lot of supply globally. The difference between that buy and sell level is $200 a contract. That concludes my thoughts for today. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, have a terrific weekend and take care.